You know, at this point, almost everybody in the market, including Richard Hart himself, are most likely just waiting for number one, all of the SEC stuff to blow over, which could happen sooner than people think. It's going to take a lot of people by surprise. Just the Trump presidency and Ethereum pumping and having a less hostile environment to build and invest in crypto. Because if you look at everything else on the surface, you know, PulseChain's been running fine without any failures at all for the past 2 years. Validators are working fine. There's 45,000 people around the globe. PulseX still buying and burning. All the influencers, all the people in the community are still talking about PulseChain, still talking about Hex. All the haters are still hating. It's still very culturally relevant in crypto. And remember, guys, all it would take is one little spark, one little whale to ignite a spark full of FOMO buying, whether that's, you know, the sacrifice wallet like we saw back in March, or just a couple other whales piling on. A few $100 million would probably 50 to 100x us, depending on the specific number of dollars that's injected into this ecosystem during the year 2025. And I'm hoping for good news. We're all hoping for good news in the SEC versus Richard Hart case. Now, a lot of people are actually expecting that the new administration, the SEC administration under Paul Atkins, appointed by Donald Trump, is going to throw out all the bogus cases against PulseChain, Hex, and not only that, but other big high-profile companies like Coinbase, Binance, Bittrex, and a lot of these other corrupt and overreaching cases from the SEC, because decentralization is bringing power back to the people, guys. And you can see my retweet from Daddy Wick over on Twitter. He's highlighting that some of the guys, some insiders in the crypto industry, are expecting a lot of these cases to just be thrown out altogether, and we stop wasting taxpayer dollars on this wild goose chase of trying to call every crypto founder guilty until proven innocent. So I'm optimistic. Time will tell. Let's lock in for a good year.